I want to welcome everyone to the airgun range at the West Liberty Gun Club. We've been working on this all summer. This is a field target range set up with 5 lanes, 3 targets per lane, and this is permanently set up so club members can come down here anytime and shoot the course. Lower power 20 foot-pound air rifles, anything you got really. So we have 5 lanes, 15 targets, do 2 loops. It's 2 shots per target. It ends up being 60 shots. Then over here we have the field target course, which will set up for competition sometimes, which is like a wooded environment. And then we have the bench rest sight-in range, which goes back 75 yards. So a bench, and there are permanent markers for sighting in your scope, doing repairs, doing tuning, testing pellets. Feel free to shoot the 2x4s. These are set up about every 10 yards. And then there are smaller targets that get set up every 5 yards, particularly for competition. We'll set them up and do a sight in for the field target competition. This lane goes back. We have a full 75 yards. Then we have spinners here and there. Know your limits. 6mm rod from 50 yards out. We have spinners. This is the 55-yard spinner, and then it keeps going all the way back to 75 yards. We have a new spinner here. Walk back this way. Club members are welcome to come back here anytime. Any sort of air rifle can work back here just fine. Anything that is as powerful as a 22 long rifle should probably be kept up on the 100-yard range. But any kind of air gun back here is welcome. So we have the public course, which is set up all the time, and this bench rest sight-in range is set up all the time. And then for expansion we have, and for the field target competitions, we have lanes we can lay out. We go out this way and cross over, so we can have another 5 lanes. And then on the long range, which I haven't quite figured out how to use yet, we've got about 120 yards for an air gun, which is a pretty substantial distance. Just need to have a reason to shoot that far, really. So the course is all set up, and club members are welcome to use this anytime, all the time. The public's welcome. You have to check the calendar, make sure there's things open. But generally between 1 and 4, 1 and 5 o'clock, just come on over, and it's $15 for a range fee, and you can come back here and enjoy the picnic table and have a lunch and shoot some field target. These are public targets are 2 shot, 1 shot for the kill zone, 1 shot for the reset. Other targets for competition are reset with a string, but we don't leave those out for out in the weather. But these targets, you shoot the kill zone, which drops the kill zone, and then you shoot the reset paddle. Simple as that. Nothing to it. So I want to welcome everybody and encourage anybody that wants to come out and learn about air guns, get in touch with me. You want to shoot competition, field target, definitely get in touch with me. But just come on back here and have some fun. Bring the kids, keep an eye on them so they don't fool around with things like hornets' nests, and there's probably snakes and ticks and spiders and everything else for them. But definitely a family activity to come back here and have some fun and enjoy the weather while it lasts.